up close to 15 points on the trade. Let's go. All right. And I think this 347 level could be in play, chat. But all right, they're 315.
Yo, stocks 5150. I got D Money and them in the background. I actually thought the market was closed today just because it's a bank holiday. So, look at that. I haven't been making no money. But where we at? D Money in the background, getting excited.
All right, I'm gonna take the 20-point win, guys. We'll take that trade off.
So, what we got? Let's see. Let's go back up. Let's look at the 4 hour and see where we at. Oh, we down on the 4 hour.
Let's scan up above the 50 and then the 5-minute chart. Chat.
Turn it down.
20-point plus call out. Give me a solid hit. Drop the W in the chat.
So, anyway, I'm 4 hour. I'm looking like we down. So, gotta be careful here. We're below the levels that we were for PPI. And go to the 1 hour, see what we got. 1 hour is flattening out. We got us a doji. Got a doji. Oh, there we go. So it looks like, well, nothing special actually. It's still just flat. Like, comes a bear flag. So that's slight. Um, this right here, like this is the open range for the first hour. So let's go ahead and mark that up. Um, take this. So this will be that hour OBR right here. Um, all right. So bringing this down. This will be my old open range break. This is on the 1 hour. Put it over where I can see it. This is the 1 hour. 1 hour ORB. So that's what these purple lines is. That range right there. Go down to the 15 and see what we got. So it looks like this is the 1 hour range right here. So we're kind of sitting in the middle. Side is over here. But I know what this is now. This is the 1 hour. This purple to that. That's my 1 hour range. See, so go here. Yeah, so from 9 right here, from 9 to 10, this range right here. That's why I got that there, just so you know. All right. And then it seems like it's the same as the 15. Go to the 5. All right, so we're still in this range. We're just down here. We are down overall, so I'm glad I didn't keep that contract last week. Glad I closed that out. I go get one right quick now that we're here. 326. See if we can get 20 points. We're at 326. Get 20 points. So go 340. All right. Now let's go ahead and look at our June contract. See what we're looking like over here.
To kind of take out these previous highs sitting up here at like 0.7. So my big profit on for that. About 25 points. All right, there's 331. Let's go big.
I might need to wait on this one. No, I can get that. Do 354.
We're rolling. We're rolling. I can go. Wow. Come on, man. All right, just explain it to the process, guys, right? Price, let's see if we get a pop here. 336, 337.
So I get 358.75. Y'all hear me clinking a bottle of Jasmine. I'm eating some mushrooms and eggs. You know what I mean? All right, so we in over here. So this is June, and we'll play this back to the open, which 625.
2.3. Let's go.
The open was
But if you're not subscribed to
yeah, man. All right, over there on the other side, we got that 50. We just made it. Now, um, sorry. Over here, I'm gonna target this low right here. So 602.
we're at 1,500 likes. All right, there's 340. There's the level, right? 340.
So we're gonna go for 600.
So,
Um,
Chad, I saw. I know.
we'll do 599.25. That'll take us up right here. Or just that's part we'll definitely hit here 574.
That we're going to kind of go up and challenge ties and sitting up here
It's
and
574. Yeah. We'll hold it. See if we get 80 off of this one. So let's go back over here and look at our our March contracts. And over here with March,
somebody said they're short right away. Okay.
let's see. Activity for the day. Field.
Comments, this current 5 minute candle checks out. Got a long wick at the top of the chat. So I put
So I got two on that March contract. And we sold two. We had 51. All right.
30 times 5. I just watched two trades. I'm sure if I enter it would have been opposite.
So now on the 5 minute,
All right, so
5 minute looks like we're sitting flat right now at the top of the range. So I'm gonna chill, not gonna do nothing. We'll probably come back and retrace to the 14. I'm resetting because not showing mine.
target the high here at 25,000 down. I got to be mindful that 15-minute chart is bullish. You got very small wicked spot.
Let's see what we got over here on the 15. Seeing we up at the top of this hour range, which could go up here to what is that? That's 61. Could take another one. I'm gonna wait for it to come down.
Will ride the Friday golden pipe. I'm not sure.
All right, so the five's coming up to the 14. Probably get a little pullback, a little rejection. It's on the 15 minute. We'll pull back, come down, and I'll enter again. Maybe I'll enter at 309. So let's look and see what we got on the 5 minute. So it's starting to make a bull flag. So on the 5 minute, we're above everything. So honestly, do 25. Oh, yep, that's that pullback. But I don't think it's gonna go but so low. So do 20. Just do one. I'm gonna wait actually, because this is gonna probably flatten and maybe come down. We'll get a pullback. But 14's at 25,303. See, we're pushing it back down. Sellers are pushing it down, getting the bottom wick. The 14 is coming up, and the 14 crosses the 48. That might be good for me. All right, coming down to 10. Got us a doji. So we don't know what we're gonna do yet. Don't know yet. This level here, last time we had a doji and then we sold off. but I'm not gonna do anything until till my moving averages crosses. So right now, just holding.
Fill that down, put it in a low end, 5,221. Yeah,
All right, so we're gonna see if we're gonna push up or we're gonna fall. Still in the range.
breaking the low, yeah, good. All right, so this candle flow green on 15-minute chart.
All right, that's bearish. Got a top wick. This could be creating a bull flag. Back at 25. All right, curling. So the 14's coming up to the 48. We're probably gonna make some rejection there. Maybe we pull back.
Hold the 14 and a head us to 25,360.
Still in this range. Let me slide you over here so I can see.
See what we get here on the current candle.
So anyway, what I'm doing is a budget. Like, what does this say?
Right now we're kind of hanging out above the not selling off. 15-minute chart in bullish.
All right, got a top wick. That's two top wicks right there. Hanging around this 320. If this 48 crosses the 14 crosses the 48, go long again.
I think the jumper is now. Yes, first time being mad at be money about making money, reach my 50% consistency after waiting for some hard to ignore it. Hey, that's a good problem to have, though, right? Yeah. All we're gonna 15-minute start. Yeah. So I gotta wait to see. Like I would love price on the 5-minute chart, kind of break down the low, down the low 25,000 to 5. That would kind of signify to me that we're probably percent 25,000 to 20, meaning that we're went to the top of the range, put in spines up here, and now we're gonna fill that down.
All right, that's it. Pop down to the 14. So that's the move down, 310. So we're gonna go long now at 310. No, I think we'll go a little bit more. It'll probably go down to 305. So I'm gonna put a long in for 305. Well, let's just see what it does. Wait for it to cross. Could come down here and bounce. Could get a bounce at what? 308. So we're at 308 now. See if we're gonna get a bounce. We're looking like on a 1 minute. There it is, coming down to the 48 on the 1 minute. Either we get a rejection here or we'll either get a rejection here or we'll get a push through. 279, 257. Let me see something. What did I go in at? 258. No, 326. I went in at 326. 326. I think I might have been a little late. 326. Let's see, 326. Yeah, I got in a little late, but I just logged in though. All right, so we crossed the 14. See if we're gonna cross the 48. If we cross the 48, I'm gonna go short.
Want to see if it kind of continues or if it snaps back down to the right.
1 second, we're at 305 and take it back down to 278 or so.
All right. So more seller pressure, guys, to the downside so far. Keep in mind, 25,297. That's actually open range high. Move that. That's a lot for it, guys. For the like.
So we'll go short right here. We'll go short and we're gonna go for target maybe 282. 282.
So yeah, we're
See what 282 gives us.
got a bullish reaction. Yeah. So this, in my opinion, this 5-minute candle chat gonna be critical. We got about 2 minutes.
Let's see.
5 minute candle.
282 right there. So 284. I'll go down to 284. Target 284. All right, let's see if we can get it. That's 15, 20 points, 15 points.
Right back inside the ORP, fixing the open range.
Oh yeah, actually, let me do 30. Do 280 right here. That might be being greedy, but that's right there where that crossed earlier. So we come down to touch 280.
Back night. Yeah, this in you know, it's as of right now, that's not
In the
scary.
bottom wick,
5,044 with the top of
see what we looking like on a 5 minute if we got some crossing. All right, so on the 5 minute, we're coming up on the 14 now, and that's at 302. Might be a 14's at 304,
no top wick.
308. So I was gonna say probably gonna turn right here. I might be being a little too greedy on that 280.
Yeah, the stand goes out.
The low on that one was 287.
Grab a water, okay?
So I hit 287. Yeah, probably should have just took that 20 bucks. But we'll see. We're short right now.
Pull the ramp right out above the open.
All right, that was a nice move. See if we're gonna stay low, stay short. Push down. On the 5 minute, we're bearish, we curl, but I needed to break below the 48 and the 14.
So if it breaks down, back close to that. Trying to target 245. If it holds the top of the ORV and it closes back above 50, the 50 EMA, 25,307, I would have to say that holds or typically that it's hold.
All right, so pulling back up. Let's see what we got over here on this 1 minute. I might close this out. That was short lived.
All right, bullish reaction right off the open range high.
So I don't think I'm gonna. I don't like that.
23-point bullish reaction check right off the open.
That's crazy. That bounce. They just wiped it all out. I think we'll pull back though. Got a top wick on it.
Hold the bear trap. Yeah, it could be. You're gonna let it close and you let it turn positive.
See if we pull back.
So temporarily, yeah. So as long as we hang out above the 14 and 50 EMA chat,
All right. That's a bullish move right there.
high,
Yeah. I'm gonna reverse. Go the other way.
45 seconds left on the front positive front, so I am gonna wait for that thing to close out.
All right. So I was wrong on that pullback. I should have took. Oh, I wasn't wrong. It pulled back, but I didn't take the. I should have took a smaller profit. So now playing back to the upside, we'll play back up to 22, 354.
Whoa,
Play to 354.
real chat, even on a 5 minute chart. That bubble, and hold that level, and just essentially, more than likely, you're going to see the break again, kind of trap some, so people's not able to clear it. 46. The 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. The applied target can be at 25,000.
All right, let's go get some volume in here. Pushing up. I'm gonna shoot for 355.
Coming for you. So yeah, just be patient, wait for this candle to close out. You got about a minute, 10 seconds left. 30-minute chart in bullish chat. So I think the 30-minute chart in bullish. It needs to stay above 25,000. 5-minute chart looks really good as far as being like the start of a V-shaped recovery possibly. They head higher. Down at 350 and they head up to 200 today on the 5-minute chart, 25,000.
All right, so pulling back.
Top to bottom. 4-hour chart, same thing, and signal always gets top to bottom. So about 20 seconds left on the start bottom. Alright. Left side is left. Going up.
All right, that was a move up.
Chart.
Not pulling back though. What are we doing? We're pulling back.
Right off the open range.
Yeah, we have fell back a little bit. All right, let's see if we're gonna bounce.
Basically tapping the
See if we're gonna push up.
so the times that are sitting up higher time frame and this EMA needs to hold. Kind of get up here and reach out to 243 to 50. Let's go, baby. Oh, man. So I thought V-shaped recovery forming, chat. 5-minute chart.
All right, we got a barrel, little push. We still got some work to do.
So 25,350 would be 30 points. And that'll get us right through these highs. So that's the area I'm targeting, chat. I want momentum to kind of step in, top us to the upside, take out these 2 highs that's sitting up here. Saw the V-shaped recovery, saw the retracement back to the opening range high, 25,097. So trying to ride that momentum up. All right. There's over 15 points, chat. Come on, man. Guys.
All right, we're making a move. So we're getting back to the upside. What do we have ours in at?
Here, back down, and we're a little bit of a smaller range. So that's what's currently happening. 15-minute charts holding, EMA.
We're shooting for 55, so we got some work to do.
Keep in mind, chat, the EMA, 50 EMA on the 15-minute chart is 25,359. So that's even higher than my initial take profit area at 25,337. So I'm basing that off of time to get spot. I love you. I love you. So nothing wrong with taking 5%. If you want to lock that in, it was up about 15 points. But I want to see if you can get some stickiness and get it up before you're higher. After the retracement back to the opening range high, and we're kind of stalling out a little bit. And we're rejecting, right? So, all right, this is your 30-minute chart. And on a 30-minute chart, we're right at the 14 EMA, and I need to make it to kind of take us up here, guys. I'm watching that level for reaction. Got a long wick on the tricky and that's
All right, so we're pushing back, pulling back now on this one. Yeah, that short got me, took me out. Look at that huge doji, huge drop.
like
Stay long though. See if we get back to the top. All right, pulling back. See, now I gotta sit in this because otherwise, if I reverse, then I'm taking I'm accepting that loss. And I'm not really gonna do that right now. I'm thinking about if we come down and we bounce off of here, we start coming back up. Depending on what the next one, I might go back in and just ride back up to there. So 333. All right, 27. So let me look at this 1 minute, see what we got down here under the hood. All right, so we're coming down over here. I think I'll go long. Put one in at 308. So if we pull back and catch that, I'll catch that 308. If not, that's cool. That means we might be making a run back up to the upside. Up there it is, dropping back.
like
312, 13. I'm sitting at 308. My order. Let's see. So we are back up bouncing again. All right, no need to have this one now. If we'd have went down to 308, then I was gonna get in and lower my cost basis. This is wicked. This top wick though is pushing back down. All right, just kind of floating right here, right where we at 322.
Bounce right back off. There was some buyers stepping to buy price back up, so that's why it's long. Call it with 30-minute chart is like hanging out right below the 14-year main. So you get momentum and popping.
Okay, so what we doing? Right now we just floating right here at 320. I entered at 322, so I'm still kind of in the middle.
So this big project. I'll expect a pop to the upside of that range and at least get to that EMA before there's some kind of bearish reaction that makes it change.
All right, so you're sitting right here at our 14, 5 and a 14. Still bullish though, because we're above the 48. That's good. Stay above that.
I wanted more, there's no other way to say it. I wanted more. I felt like we were gonna pop through the top. Right? Let's see what happens here. I'm trying to get momentum. 354 is my take profit. So can I get there?
Still sitting flat.
All right, there's a little pop. Let's see if we can continue here. I don't want to see us back below 300, guys, and I definitely don't want to see us back below the RP. So if this breaks down back below 297, I should be switch back. I don't want to see us back below. We already had a retracement of the opening range. And you kind of see that clearly here. We got a retracement already, so I want to see this pick up speed and push higher.
All right, we're back even. Just really floating right here. Training out time. Thank God we don't have theta on this stuff. Yeah.
Brad, he goes right. Oh, man. I don't wake up here. Oh, and you can't. God, so person, so please come. Let's go. All right, there's 10 points again. Let's see if we can get going, chat.
Still got these top wicks though. That's kind of weak. I don't like this. It's not. I'm not that I don't like it, but I'm green, but it's slow.
Friday should be Jerome. Oh man. All right. So yeah, what I'm waiting for an explosion to try to get out of the top of this brain and take us up to 25,350 area. Get momentum. Right at that EMA that you see on the chart, EMA that's up there.
Up, fell back down. Fell back down.
So now, if you get anything for an expansion to the upside, guys, get going. They got previous candles high at 235. On days like today's chat, you have to be a little patient. Sometimes it takes longer for the thing to play out. Where that, uh, and that's just what it is. Something like those two waves. Somebody look at the order zone. Yeah, I don't want to. Definitely that. Yeah, I mean it's. I'm just kind of going off what I see on the chart chat where the momentum was. I'm trying to ride that. It's and trust the ORV. Now, if the trade come back down and retest the ORV, absolutely 1,000%. That's certainly crazy for it. I would take that trade in the game. So if it can get up to like that 354 area, that's 37 points. All right, there's 3.9.
We just really chopping right here. Look at this on the 5 minute. It ain't no movement. Look at that barcode. We need 55.
The clock's too high. Let's give it 5 more minutes. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of right. Chat. Yeah. Anything money, first time trading, what do we get? W9 from platforms. You get that, you should be starting to get those any day. A lot of them already.
Mm. Sitting here, this 10. Yeah. I'm kicking myself with that short that I made earlier. I should have took that little small chunk. I thought it was gonna come down further, but we just dropped right there. Kind of makes sense now though, 50% drop. Send me a text message. Trying to do a budget. I'm linking all my accounts up.
The trading books, yeah, I kind of talked about that earlier. Trading, no, there's more. Okay. Yeah, PW has, of course, as well.
See, just chopping, not doing nothing. We the train. We could look at this on the bright side and say, okay, we're forming a bull flag. You know what I'm saying? Waiting for something, some kind of momentum or something, and take off. But next thing coming up is Euro close, and I don't what.
Back and forth, right? 18 flexes is the high that I've basically kind of in that range, right? 15 points, very low rate break. 15 rate candle selling off. So yeah, guys, it's if you're in a tight range,
Feel like I might be locking in on a loss. This one.
15 points was the top of that range for me as far as it's trading. And I get to look at July right now. 4 hour chart, it does have a bottom three, but the volume candle small, and I wanted to changing up price.
See what we're looking like over here in this June contract. Nothing's happened over here. This is flat. Yeah,
Yeah,
nothing's happened. Look at that. Same thing, same thing. Down 37. Let's hold it right here.
yeah, trust me, I remember because I'm doing these trades. No policy. Like, come on, dang. So these waiting chat, get sell off again, going to the close of a 1 hour candle. 5 minute chart, and fall back down, you had a higher low that's putting in like building here, and the top process looks better. Here, then the next, so last got this next 5 minute candle, closer to the you can move the rate. I want to momentum step in, think that's outside of the rate. Five. Line up pretty right now. Not about anybody else. And not without Jack, we got over 4,000 people tuned into the show. I appreciate the support.
Oh, there it is. The drop off is getting ready to flush again. I don't like how these keep testing the bottoms.
Let's go. Looks like we're at 1,800 likes, chat. We've been well over 2,000 likes every day. So give me a solid, hit the like button, grab the right. It's gonna get paid off like that. All right, stop making my margin. Have to wait for this chop to play out here.
I'm already kicking myself for even going into this trade. I should just kept my 40 bucks. What is going on here? Let's see, go here.
Like 7,000 points. Yeah, that's right. Pump income. Yeah, I mean, I want the pump. I mean, we're holding the open range high, so I want to pump to the upside. Well, 15 minute chart here. Got consolidation and got stuff. above there, we're headed to 400. But obviously, they could pick it up a little or something like that. So as soon as we get to the top of the range, we get a sell off right back down.
I changed that password.
So nevertheless, guys, we're out here rocking, trying to make it happen. You know, this MLK Day, so market does close early today.
Oh, the market closing early today. Shit, I might need to get out of this. This might be a wash.
What is the arrow that I marked? Yeah, those are, so if you go to the 5 minute chart, you can see how price was built up. Some of these higher lows being put in. So it's kind of like a slow grind for the upside, what I've seen so far. You can see how you got lows here, you got higher lows for the pop. So it's well, like right out of the range. So you should pass E41. I think on it's going to become just like that.
All right, we're trying to push back up again.
Nevertheless, we are here rocking out. As always, I love it. We do have
Oh, it's looking like they might not do much. The market closes at 12:30 today.
recent black 50K accounts. And
Yeah, I don't like that. Should have kept with that first trade. I had made my $40, so should have been happy.
if I'm not mistaken, goldpropfirm.com/giveaway. Let's go. And I'm waiting chat for this paint to dry. I mean, for the market to be. Oh, Lord, it's going to All right, so the link is in the chat on goldpropfirm.com/giveaway. If you haven't registered already. It's black 50K account. Let's go. And we're at 1900 flights, guys. You can tell me about this. Been on the hot chat. I've always
Just sitting flat.
over 2,000, well over 2,000 likes for every show over the past week. So I appreciate the support, guys. So if you haven't already, give me a shout out to the like button and up the channel.
Hmm.
Hit the higher next pop here.
All right, we're making a move. This week though, I can tell that volume is like need more volume.
Right here, third, fourth shot.
Still kind of just barely doing it.
Come on, baby. Yeah. Top of the range set. All right, I'm gonna take that off, guys. Turn that down.
So I should get out of this and just take this instead of just sitting in this. Yeah. Trying to wait for it to hit my target. I don't want to be breaking up a whole bunch of fees.
Just 1 hour candle in bullet, and that might be enough to pop us to new high. After I held that for probably 20 minutes. Good job, you might have W for us. Yeah, yeah, it was a W, guys. I mean, you'll take the W chat, right? I mean, it's kind of stuck in a race. I mean, I'm not gonna. I tried it. I gave it a ton of time, and it's going out. Do me a solid, guys. Drop the W in the chat if you maybe you took that trade earlier. Drop the W in the chat and drop the W.
All right, back flat again.
Let's go. All right, so now it's trying to hold this holding guy, trying to push.
All right, this might be us. Let's see.
Yeah, you got a vendor in here. You never know. You, you never know. You got a guy that all right. You got PW up 10 grand, guys, and there's pumps and upsides happening now. It's kind of creepy.
All right, 39. Let's go.
Oh, man. Guys, guys. It's all right.
All right, we're going up to 355. That's our target. We have 41.
This is basically the area that I was talking about, right? Unbelievable, guys. We finally break it to the upside. Good forever. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, guys. So PW saying retire, guys. Yeah, yeah. Kind of hard cap.
All right, we're getting us a bull flag. Here we go. Let's go. That's what we're looking for. We need that move. We need that push. We are 49. We hit 50, 55. Let's go. Let's get it, yo. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. I'm going to the top. Am I going to get it? Am I going to get it? I don't know if I'm going to get it. Hope I'm going to get it. This will break me even. It'll only be like 15 bucks because of that big loss last time, but it's cool. It's cool. It's calm. It's calm. 53. Hey, hey, hey. Let's go. Stocks are crazy. All right. Let's see what we got now. Back into activity. Hey, $61 on the day. Half a day. Half a day. $61 from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock. 1 hour. $60. $60 in an hour, baby. Let's go. What we got over here now? Let's get back to it. We still got one more trade open. Over here, we'll focus on this. We're at 34. It's climbing. We're looking to get to 599. We're at 580. We need 19 more points. 19 more points. We'll keep it here for a little while. See what we get on our June contract. See if it's going to pop or not. What am I trying to get anyway? Let me look at this. I got it at 590. We're at 581. I'm going for $80. Huh? I think I should. Yeah, I'll keep it. We'll see if we can run, get a double. Yeah, I'm shooting for this upside. Catch that up to when it meets the top. That's the pre-market high. All right, so back over here, we ain't trading no more on our March contract. We're gonna leave that as it is. We at 355. Hit the ORB top. That's it. That's it. So we're gonna stop. We had that one. Let's explain. We had that one. We did good. We got 51, and then we went short. That didn't work out. So see, that took us back down, and then now we at 61. So yeah, that one right there, and that offset that put us back up 61 on the day. We would be at if we didn't have this. We would be at 100, but it's cool. 60 is cool. 40 is the minimum. 40 is the minimum. So I'm good to go. You know what I'm saying? Looking to get 10K. Year to date, what I'm looking like. Still looking good on March. Still looking good on March. At 11. Keep that. I'll take that. So market closes in about a half an hour and a half or whatever. So let's see what we're gonna get over here. I'll be back. We making a move though, yo. Let's go. 45. Let's get it. Let's get it.
We're already above the 14 and 50 and now 15-minute target. Looking at the next target, I mean, for the closest area, it's up. Will be 25,439. So, man, if you guys kind of know this case play, guys, I mean, yeah. So, I'll come by. Where will this do? Where will this by? So,
Yo, I stepped away. What happened? We ran up. We hit our target. That's what's up. 604. Target acquired. I had it at 599. So we good to go. That's it for us for today. Um, Look at our activity, transactions for the day. 140. Yeah, 140. That one time right there, 79. This one fall. This is the one flaw right here. But we are good to go. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna do too much no more. I think we're gonna let's look at this March again. That was a nice run.
further in on the 5-minute chart. So, well, and push hard above that, guys. You got to go to your 15-minute chart and look at the open space. That's what he does. He's kind of saying, like, we had a sell off basically at the open last night, and we got a lot of room to get you back to the upside. Yeah, you just got to keep that in mind. Yeah.
All right, so what we got over here? So it's a gap down. We got look at this on the 1 hour. See what we're looking like. So we got us a nice little bear trap right here. Everybody, it's still not over. It could give it up on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we basically this all of that was just this curve, and we're still within the 1 hour breakout. We haven't broken out of that yet. And
God, Shelby wants to know if he's flipped on his Miami trade. I think he's fine. I think he's fine, guys. Maybe I'm.
so we're 25,369 right now. 48 is up here on the 1 hour, and the 14, yeah.
Yep. I don't think so though. I think Miami's gonna pull it out, Chad. So yeah, I think they're gonna stick Indiana. No, the buy. Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so we're still within this 1 hour ORB, the open range. Yeah, I call it ORB. I need to just call it open range because technically it's not the breakout, but whatever. I'll keep open range breakout, whatever. So we're still in that. So we top wick at it. The 14 is at 368, and we're coming up. We haven't touched it yet. We have not touched this on the 1 hour. So we still got some more upside to go. So we could get to, let's get rid of this. I don't want to keep that. Man, I had a lot of right there on top of one. I didn't mean to get rid of that one. Turn that one back to purple.
Oh, yeah, that was yeah, that was a good move. Yeah, that was a good move.
All right, so this is our ORB for that hour right here. Bring it down to here. All right, so we top wick up. We broke out, and that's where we are. Right. Put this back here. So we at 352 now. See what we're looking like. Sure. On the 15 minute, we're coming up. We're above the 14 and still below the 48. So if we come up and hit this 48, we could play to the upside to there. Yeah, so we could, if we was to play to the upside, we would play, wait for this to pull down to here, 348, play 340 back up to 370. That'd be 30 points. But we'll wait and play back up to the upside. So I feel like we're gonna pull down, do 340 up to 370. Let's see, so go here. We got one order in at 340.
After this, we strengthen it and then ride that higher. That would be like the ideal price action to a breakout trigger continuation to those well, this concentration wanted to kind of build out some kind of higher mode. Things like that.
All right, so we in at 340. That's our we're looking at. Hopefully, this right here flattens out and we can ride this back up to 370. See how we flattening right here, making another what's it called? Bull flag. What I don't want to happen is I need us to stay above here and we come up and touch the 48. So the 5 to come up and touch the 48, I'll be cooking with grease. And that'll be right around 48 right now is sitting at 353. I got in at 340, so looking upside only like 10 points. Do 353. I'll take that. Now it could wick up. We got the top wick on this was 383. So we could try to push up the close out to 383 back to the upside.
So remember, Chad, my initial take profit, I said closer to the 400 area and then 200 EMA on a 5 minute chart. And got put it to that 5,000, like 90. Got pretty close. The high of the candle was 25,083 at our forehead.
So if we get a bounce, maybe go to 72. Because we top wicked at 379 and 383. So we'll do 370. 30 points. See if we get that. Or if we're gonna blow up what we had. One of the two. May yeah. Let's see what happens. Did this on the 15 minute too. Didn't do this on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, that's looking weak. Maybe not the best entry right here, but this could be the bounce. So on the 5 minute, looking at it, we could bounce off the 14 because we're up here off the 48. Bounce off the 14, wick up, pull back up. That's what we need. But we could come down here and hit the 48. That could happen. So let's see. That's what I'm thinking is probably gonna happen. So we back within that range. Now if we come back and stay in that range, then I won't necessarily be screwed because I'm at 340 and the range is at 350 or whatever. But let's see what happens. Starting to push back up. All right, so it's still pulling back. Now we're bouncing off that high. And I might be being a little overzealous with this position, to be honest with you. We'll see. We flat. Let's see if we're gonna get a push up. Volume is light though, but the market's getting ready to close. Maybe people start closing out, taking profits, shutting it down. Euro close. I don't see. We should keep going because Euro should close and then keep going.
Now for green guys, they're sitting at South for South, so not going to put green guys. So it's out of the range, right for like maybe. And I would say if we over 14 EMA, that's worth it. What happened? Great Mason one, two, suspect the guys.
All right, so we holding this level kind of flat. Staying above though. We stay above the 14 and keep and bounce off of that build. That'll be good. That'll work out.
Wow, for a long way out.
I mean, the volume is light though right now. We have six. What is it? 5K. Excuse me.
So that's how you gotta lead, right? I mean, I kept saying it. I'm like, hey, I want it. It's open, and I'm not gonna lie, chat. One of the things I'm working on building some of these trades longer, so I had to hold it. But yeah, it's once you get that confidence.
All right, so making a move. What am I shooting for again? 370. So I'm shooting for 30 points back to the upside. Not to the top, but just right there. We have 15, making a move up. Let's go. All right, so I have connected my accounts to my 401k. Now I got everything all in one place. Trying to do this budgeting stuff better. Gotta watch your money to see where it's going. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this month.
All right, so here's the open of the 5-minute candle. Close out above the 14 EMA.
Good grief, I spend a lot of money. It's crazy. How is that possible? I don't even know. I don't even know. Definitely spending it though.
I know I was not. At all. Gotta love it.
Yeah, I guess I was hanging out a little bit last month.
Yeah, he was. Before 2 hours, right?
All right, pulling back.
Right. I said, sports and play.
Education. Okay. Other expenses. Let's see what that is.
After that, I would put in, it's forming the same pattern that it kind of formed at 10 o'clock. Look down here at 10 o'clock track. That's one thing on the chart, right? Yeah, how that was put in there, price come down, form a higher low, and it keeps up.
All right, so we trying to push up slightly. Bottom wick.
right? First trade with the short. I mean, we got 2 hours. So yeah, the first trade were the short guys, right? And I typically put the open range low. We had a V-shaped recovery, and then I actually start looking for long, right? So is that a secret, right? Like I'm trying to figure out that. I don't think. So that first trade was at 9:30, like 9:35, guys, right? So that was so long ago that I thought he was actually, I thought he said I was in short right now. I think your read on price is amazing. I've been doing this for some time and hey, I appreciate the kind words. Not always right, guys, but notice this 5 minute chart. See how we're expanding that to the upside? This is exactly what I was saying, right? See how you basically put in another higher low chat. You respected the 14 EMA and you're expanding back to the upside. So that's why I don't feel we can get short. Now, people may might be shorting down, maybe that's probably what they thought. Somebody said, well, short down you are, hey, it's a problem.
All right, target hit. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, boy. Where we at now? What we cooking with? Grease? Yes, cooking with grease. Cooking with grease. No positions. That was perfect. That worked out. 197 on the day. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Primarily off the higher construct guide and follow that, so that's why my today is. But it's a perfect trend. What would the ideal setup? I just kind of called it out. That was a lot, but I don't see anything.
All right, so we got that 25 340 and we got that up for 30 points right quick. Got that 58 balanced out. 197 on the day. 215 total, but minus the commission and fees, we at 197 on the day. Let's go. Let's go get it. This is a day off, man. I love it. I love it. I'm finna get out the house. This is 11:40. I'm done for the day. You know what I'm talking about? Done for the day, boy. I don't know what you're gonna do today, but I'm getting ready to get in these streets. It's cold outside though, but I'm still getting ready to go get in these streets. I'm finna comment on D Money, D Money's chat, and then I'm gonna get up out of here. Yeah.
You gotta be smart, chat, right? I mean, it's almost 12 o'clock, and market's open for basically another hour, roughly. We're at 2,000 likes on the stream, chat. Do me a solid if you haven't already. Hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, I love you. You know what to do. If you rock out with the BDH every day, I love you. Want to make sure you guys feel the love as well, guys. We appreciate the support. We don't take it for granted. You got options out there. No, they don't. Maybe I'm biased, though. Yeah, maybe I'm biased. I was getting there. I will get there. So you have options, guys, but maybe I'm biased, but I feel like we're the best option. So let's go. Oh, man, gotta love it.
All right, so we finished for the day, yo. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. Do I need to say what I did already? Nope, just got those four. I only had that one trail trade. I bought two, and those didn't make it. I closed it out. Good for me. I didn't hold it. So now we out. That's that, yo. Let's go. Stocks 5150, man. We are good for the day. On the year, we still green. Worked out perfect. Worked out perfect. All right, yo. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy.